Hello guys, this one is a new project. This is my kitchen AC unit, the outdoor unit. Apparently this has busted out as you can see. So I can just tear it off. This is an old unit. I think quite old unit. It's given by my sister-in-law. So from her salon. So today, because this is the legs. The legs were originally here. So this is still working. Only this base plate is quite rotten inside. I'm not sure you can see. You guys can see quite rotten inside. So quite rotten inside. So I'm gonna clear it out. Then replace it with a PVC pipe. I have some PVC pipe. Can bend it and secure this side and secure the cover. This is the cover. This side. This one still works. I can clean it out a bit. This one still works. And strengthen the cover. This is the top cover. The top cover is quite good. Still quite good. I can make use of the top cover and side cover to join to this piece. Maybe using some PVC pipes. That's what I'm thinking. But I'm going to clean it up first. Then come back to you guys. This base plate is basically gone. It's gone. Okay. Hi guys. This is what I come up with. This is the side panel. I have a L bracket here with two self-tapping screws inside and put it to the feet. This side there's not logical holes I can drill, because you see right at the corner this is quite weak. Right here cannot. So the best solution is just wire tie it. This is the best solution I could think of on hand right now. I have removed the wire brush this to remove the rust, then paint away, spray paint. This black color is what I have currently. So do some treatment here. Then that's about it. I'm going to reinstall this with some extra self-tapping screws, this type, so to strengthen the casings. Self-tapping. This one, the tip is different. You will drill and tap it in to strengthen the whole unit. So I'll come back to you guys. Guys, I've installed it back already. This is new. I decided not to use the PVC pipe because here the rust is actually eating up the coil. So when the coil goes, the coil piping inside rots, the whole unit is gone, considered gone. So the rots is quite severe here. So lifting that up, of course, will have a longer lifespan. It will have because the water doesn't stay here. And this part I have no choice but to use the wire to tie it. This is no good connection point, so wire tie, and the lifespan is not going to be very long. Then here, because it's already rot away, there's no connection point. So I drill a hole this side. I don't know if you can see. I drill a hole this side and just tie the wire first. Just tie in the wire first, because I don't think this unit can survive another 2-3 years. I think maximum another 2-3 years. So I'm not going to spend a lot of time and effort on it. It's no point. So the unit is working now. Screw back. This is the additional screws to strengthen this piece to here. This piece to here. Then nothing else I've done. Nothing else. See, already rot through. The whole base plate already rot through. So I'm using this piece and this piece to strengthen it, to stand this side. Luckily the compressor is this side, so this side not much weight, only the model. That's why I need to leave it up a bit more, so that the motor mount is on top and below is rotten off, no more support. to lift it up a bit more instead of going this way. So now no more going this way. Thanks guys.